welcome back to the channel. I'm Kem, and that's my dog Nico. Say hi, Nico. Yeah, he doesn't speak much. He's camera shy. Hey, before I go on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am so happy that I got, yes, I got the Hello Kitty Prestos. I've been looking forward to this collection since Nike teased it online some months ago, and finally I have it in my hands. I had no luck when they first launched it on the Sanrio.com website. I don't think a lot of people had much luck with it. The website crashed. It just, yeah. And so I was like, better luck next time. Next time came around. I've tried different websites. I've entered raffles and nothing. And there was luck on the sneakers app. Yes. Now, while the other websites did have some available, they didn't have the smaller sizes available. So they made these in men's sizes. I think they also made them in like baby sizes too. However, because Hello Kitty is more popular with women, when we have smaller feet, the smaller sizes were sold out first. So I wear a size 5 in men's. So every time I went on a site that probably had some left, all small sizes were gone. So with the collection, not only do they have the shoes, they also had a hoodie, a couple of t-shirts, sweatpants to match the hoodie, which matches the shoes. It's just so matchy. I think I would have been okay with just the hoodie, but the hoodie and the sweatpants with the shoes I think is a little much. But hey, if that's the thing you like, go ahead, do you. I personally don't care for the sweatpants or joggers or whatever they're called. I think that's a lot of Hello Kitty on my legs. The hoodie I think is okay though. It's okay. But I didn't get it. I only got shoes. So the collection was actually created back in 2004 to celebrate Hello Kitty's 30th anniversary, but that never happened. It never really went to production. They did produce some, but it was only for friends and family. So here we are, how many years later? It was a long time ago. I graduated high school in 2005. I think the box is super cute. Definitely keeping it. Open it up. The box was perfect. I love a perfect shoe box. I used to work at a couple of shoe stores, and anytime a box is nice and crisp, no dents, it's like so satisfying, especially when the tissue paper is nice and crisp like this one. It has a little fold up here. I'm not gonna let that bother me, but look how clean that is. It's it has Hello Kitty all over it. Yeah, I'm being very careful with this. You see that? And then I've only opened this once, and I've only taken out one shoe. I didn't take out the other one, so I took this one out when I first got it. I haven't worn it yet. I mean, I did just to see what it feels like. This is actually my first pair of Prestos. They're very, very comfy. They hug my feet at the right places. Look at that. Okay, now I know the design isn't for everyone, but as a true Hello Kitty fan, I had to have this. Now, inside the box, I'm gonna carefully take this out. There is Hello Kitty right here, winking at you. Isn't she cute? She is, yes she is, I know she is. So the Hello Kitty Presto features a university blue upper with Hello Kitty's face printed all over. You also have the swoosh on the forto, Hello Kitty's face on both heels. And then you have Hello Kitty's signature bow on both tongues. Then right over here you have the Nike Alpha Project 5 logo. This is supposed to look like Hello Kitty's eyes and nose. And check out the cute insoles. All right, let's go put these on feet.